How can we get the current time using the datetime module of Python? The string format method formats time for the desired output. This tutorial breaks down how you can use the datetime module with the string format method to get a formatted string of time in hours, minutes and seconds. Let's see how this works. So first of all, I'm going to create a file, then I'll call it current-time.py. And as a best practice, I'm going to add a comment to this, so I'll say get current time. Then, like I explained in my previous tutorial, to use Python module you need to import it. So here we are using the datetime module, so I'm going to say from datetime import datetime. Then we'll create a variable. I'm going to call it, you can call it anyhow you want, so I'm going to call my own current time. Then I'll call back the imported module, that is the date time module. Then I'll use the now class, then I'll format my time, the string. So I'm going to say string. So this, the str stand for string, so format, the f stand for format, then my time, then I'm going to format the time. So when I say format the time, what I mean is that I want to tell the computer how I want my time to be displayed for me. So I want my time to be displayed in hours, followed by minutes, followed by minutes, then finally the seconds. Then we finally print out our time, but I'm going to format the string once again. So I'm going to say the time is then I'll pass in my time, that is current time. Now I'm going to save this, Control S, then I'll run my code and let's see what we get. Boom. So I have the output here. See that the time is 5:18 together with the seconds. Now what if you want to return to this date? We can use the date class from the datetime module with the today method. Let's see how this work. So once again, I'm going to add a comment to this. So I'm going to say get today's date. Then we are going to import the date class of datetime module. So I'm going to say from datetime import dates. Take note, the first one, because we wanted the time, we are using the date time, but here we want the date, today's date. So we are going to use the date class of datetime module. Remember, the date is just a class of datetime module. So we are importing the date class of datetime model. Then I'll create a variable. So I'm going to call the variable today today date. Then we call back the class, which is date dot, then we use the method, that is today method. Then we print out today's date. So print, once again I want to format the string, so I'm going to do today's date is, then I'll pass in today's date, that's the variable today date. Now let's save this, Ctrl plus S, clear the outputs, then run the code again. There's a mistake here, I've made a mistake. So I made a mistake today. So let me save this again, clear the output, then run the code again. Boom. So we have the time together with today's date. So you see that time is 5:21 and today's date is 4th May 2025. So this is how you can use the